find yourself yelling too much as a parent? Do you see yourself giving instructions and your kid don't follow these instructions most at times? This is because you are not doing it the right way. Probably you are beating your kids and your presence or your instructions has been watered down to a form of discipline that they don't recognize. Probably you are using the wrong method of parenting your children. You are doing a generalized form of parenting your children. Now, every child has a unique and individual way of parenting them. Now, this is very, very important and very, very sensitive to every parent. The importance of treating each child as an individual is very, very important. Don't give group instructions, but by age, give instruction by age, give instruction by individual differences. That is what every parent should be concentrating on doing. Hello there, you're welcome to Purposeful and Strategic Parenting. My name is Philomene, and thank you so very much for joining this video. Thank you so very much for clicking. Please, if you've not joined the family, please you should consider doing so, because we are here every time to bring you positive strategies and tips on how we can become better parents. So today we are here to share the importance of treating each child as an individual. No group instructions, but giving instructions by age. 2 years, you know the instructions to give, or giving instruction by individual differences. You know the unique differences of your children and you give them instructions according to this. It's going to save you some very, very minor problems. Maybe you beat them a lot, but if you give instructions by individual differences or by age, you realize that you are going to minimize that. So first important is children will pay attention to what you are saying. They will learn to pay attention to it if you're giving them instruction individually based on their unique differences or based on their age. The second importance is that they are more conscious about the actions they take, because they know that each action carries a consequence. So when you give them instruction individually and also based on their differences and their uniqueness, they are going to be very conscious, because they know that each action at this age carries a consequence. Each action at this level carries a consequence. The third is that you stop yelling, or your yelling will reduce. You're going to minimize yelling at your kids. Why? Because you have give them instructions according to their capacity, and it's going to be possible for them to carry out these instructions. So you're going to minimize your rate of healing if you stop generalizing instructions, or if you stop generalizing expectations from your kid. You expect this from this particular person, you expect this from this particular person. Also, beating, you're going to realize that beating is not the only method of discipline. Yes, if you stop generalizing among your children, if you treat them individually, you treat them according to their age, according to their unique differences, you are going to realize that beating is not the only form of discipline. It's not the only method of discipline. You're going to realize that with this child, she made a mistake or he made a mistake, but you can correct him like this and it will be better rather than beating him. So with treating your children individually and uniquely, you are going to realize that beating is not the only and is not even the best form of discipline. And also, your kids are going to be happier, they are going to be joyful, because you are treating them according to the way they are supposed to be treated. Everybody has his or her individual way in which they need to be treated. So when you treat them the way they have to be, they are going to be happy, they are going to be very joyful and very interactive. It will bring out the hidden potentials that are in them. So you have to learn to treat your children individually according to their uniqueness, according to their unique characters and what they possess. And also, finally, yourself, you become conscious, you become more active and more alive, because what you are doing as a parent is yielding result. You are seeing the result, you are seeing how things are unfolding. So you are going to become very, very conscious of how your children are behaving and how they are growing up. So treating each child individually, treating your children according to the way they are supposed to be treated is very, very important in our parenting journey, and we should try to take that into consideration as guardians, as parents, because this is going to spice up our parenting very well. Please, if you've not subscribed to our channel, please you should consider subscribing, and thank you so very much for watching to this point. Please consider joining the family, because we are here every day with unique strategies and tips on how you can become a better parent. Thank you so very much, and bye bye, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye.